Wash the sofa using a regular pot lid. With this household method, you can remove stains and get rid of unpleasant odors. It turns out that expensive professional sofa cleaning services won't be needed anymore. Fill a bowl with very warm water. Then, take a laundry detergent capsule. The substances in it will not only help remove stains, but also refresh the sofa's smell. Throw the capsule into the water and wait until it completely dissolves. Mix it all together to create a cleaning foam. Take a clean microfiber cloth and soak it in the mixture. Squeeze out excess water thoroughly. It's important that the cloth is damp but not dripping. Lay it flat and place the pot lid on it. Then, fold the corners inside so that you can hold the cloth while grabbing the handle of the pot lid. The whole setup should be tightly stretched. Clean the sofa in circular motions, thoroughly going over the entire sofa, backrests, and armrests. The detergent capsule has cleaning, stain-removing, and refreshing properties. When the cloth dries out, soak it again, squeeze it, and repeat the process. Leave the sofa material to dry, and you're done. The sofa will smell and look like new.